Brightspace gives professors the ability to see their course that they have built as a learner through two different tools. The first tool temporarily switches the instructor's role to that of a learner, giving them the same view that their students see when logging into the course. The second tool creates and enrolls a demo student into the course, which the professor can then impersonate. While impersonating the demo student, you can submit assignments and take quizzes, the results of which can then be viewed by the professor once done impersonating. You can see here in my test course that I have a sample PDF, a sample quiz, and a sample assignment. The sample PDF is not being shown to students, indicated by this eye with a line through it. We can test this using the first tool by scrolling to the top of our course on Brightspace and clicking our name card here, which opens up a menu where we see at the top, View as a Learner. Clicking on this will bring us back to the course's homepage, but we notice now that it says we are viewing it as a learner. If we navigate back to the module we were working in, we can see here that that example PDF is not displaying, but I do see the quiz and paper assignment. Now, one thing you might want to do as a professor is to practice taking the quiz and submitting the assignment to see what the results will look like on your end. You cannot do this with this tool, but we can use that second tool to complete that function. First, let's exit out of this, viewing as a learner, by once again clicking on our name card in the top right, and then clicking that X button. Now that we are back to viewing the course as an instructor, we are going to click on the Tools drop-down in our navigation menu. And here we can see the button CUNY Demo Student. Clicking on this will take us to this page with a singular button that says Create Demo Student. We're going to click on that, and it will give us this notification saying that the student has been created and enrolled. Please go to Class List to impersonate the demo student. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to click on the Tools drop-down again, and then Class List. Class List is a tool that shows you everyone enrolled in the course, and now that we have created a demo student, we can see that student here on this list. Student, demo. Next to this name, we can click this downwards arrow, and then click on Impersonate from the menu that pops up. Once we click Impersonate, it will give us a confirmation screen where we click Yes, and once again bring us back to the course's homepage. This time, notice that the name card no longer says our name, but it says Demo Student Impersonating. This is how you can make sure that you are using this second tool for viewing the class as a learner. Now, if we navigate back to the module we were working in, we will again still not see the sample PDF as any learner enrolled in the course would, but we can click on the quiz and start it. I'm going to answer these quickly and submit. And we can also submit the assignment just as a student would. Now that I have submitted the items that I would like to view as a professor, I'm going to exit out of impersonating this demo student by clicking on the name card once again, and then clicking on that X. Now that we are back to viewing the course as the instructor, we can go to grade the quiz, and we can see here that the demo student has attempted it and got a 50%. Please do note that anything submitted and graded from this sample student will affect the statistics of the quiz, such as the quiz average. This demo student will be included in your overall quiz averages, including your actual students. The way to make the statistics more accurate is by deleting the demo student. We can do this the same way we created it, by going to Tools, and then CUNY Demo Student. Now, instead of the button that says Create Demo Student, we see this button that says Delete Demo Student. Clicking this will delete the demo student and permanently remove any and all associated data from this course, meaning anything you've submitted. It cannot be undone, but you can create a demo student again. So I'm going to delete this demo student, click OK, updating this page, allowing me to create a new one, but no longer affecting the quiz statistics. Reminder that you find the first tool to view the course as a learner by clicking on your name tag in the top right corner and then clicking View as Learner. Where you find the second tool where you create and impersonate a demo student by going to the Tools dropdown in the navigation menu and then clicking CUNY Demo Student.